For those of you wrestling with a failing iMac Pro, specifically the 27-inch 1862 model from late 2017, a dodgy power supply can bring your workflow to a screeching halt. Today, we're looking at the Ycheda 661 08944 APG03 ADP-500AF power supply board, a potential lifesaver for your beloved machine. This unit is designed as a direct replacement, boasting a 500W power rating to match the original. That's crucial for ensuring your iMac Pro gets the juice it needs to handle demanding tasks like video editing, graphic design, and other professional applications. A mismatched power supply can lead to instability, crashes, or even permanent damage, so sticking to the correct specifications is paramount. Ycheda emphasizes that this is a brand new, A+ quality part. They also state that each unit is carefully tested before shipping. This is reassuring, as power supplies are critical components, and you want to be confident in their reliability. They back this up with a 12-month after-service warranty and a 60-day money-back return policy, which is a decent safety net. Now, while replacing a power supply might seem straightforward, it's generally recommended to have it done by a professional repair center. iMacs, especially the Pro models, are complex machines, and improper handling can lead to further issues. Unless you have experience with electronics repair, it's best to leave it to the experts. If your iMac Pro is experiencing symptoms like random system crashes, complete power failures, or other power-related glitches, the power supply is a prime suspect. Replacing it with a unit like the Ycheda 661 08944 could restore your iMac Pro to its former glory, saving you the expense of a completely new machine. The Ycheda power supply offers a cost-effective solution. It's always wise to weigh the cost of a replacement against the age and overall condition of your iMac Pro. However, if the rest of your system is in good shape, a new power supply can give it a new lease on life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.